This is for entertainment only. Don't play these tunes on the air as it will cause panic. Community Access Center statement from the Jonesboro Police Department. At 4:32 a.m. CDT, multiple break-ins were reported due to a mysterious pop-up of a program that played on TVs. All residents of Jonesboro, lock your doors and windows. The suspect is unknown. Stay tuned. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXJ 51 Jonesboro, Arkansas. The current time is 6:35 a.m. Central Time. At 6 a.m. in Jonesboro, it was... This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. Civil danger for the city of Jonesboro. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Jonesboro Police Department. At 7:23 a.m. CDT, the suspect has been identified as Sonic 6. He is 4 feet tall, has the same appearance of Sonic the Hedgehog, but with red glowing eyes. He is also linked to the mysterious pop-up program in Weather Radio Glitch. If you see him, do not run. He can outrun humans. His speed, clocked in at 145 miles an hour. Do not approach the suspect.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Lake City Police Department and the Craighead County Sheriff's Office at 9:23 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The creature in Jonesboro called Sonic EXE has made his way to Lake City because of a computer file and ATV hijacking that surfaced at 4:32 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Sonic EXE is causing chaos in Lake City and surrounding areas. If you get a file on your computer called Sonic EXE, do not open the file, delete it and call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.
is transmitted at the request of the Memphis Police Department. At 3:23 p.m. CDT, Sonic.exe has been spotted in Memphis. He has also caused a massive accident on the Memphis-Arkansas bridge. The bridge is at risk of collapsing, and several cars have fallen into the Mississippi River. Sonic.exe can run really fast. The Memphis Police Department has also confirmed that every home broken into had a file on their computer called Sonic.exe installed. If you get a file called Sonic.exe on your computer, delete the file immediately, then call 911. Do not approach Sonic as he is extremely dangerous. He will attack anyone on sight. Stay tuned for more updates as they become available.
This is CNN Breaking News.
Good afternoon, this is David from CNN. We currently have breaking news out of Memphis at 4:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The Memphis-Arkansas bridge on Interstate 40 has completely collapsed, and several vehicles have fallen into the Mississippi River. The reason for this is a creepypasta character called Sonic.exe. He also caused mayhem in Jonesboro, Arkansas, where he hijacked TVs across the city, and then he went to Lake City and caused more mayhem, and then an administrative message from the Memphis Police Department at 3:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Sonic.exe, the creature that wreaked mayhem in Arkansas and Tennessee, has been exterminated by police. He was surrounded by police officers. Repeating, Sonic.exe has been exterminated, and you may now exit your shelters. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. Repeating, Sonic.exe has been exterminated, and you may now exit your shelters.